Look in the mirror where there's space now, and my knee's going to go towards the black bar. I'm going to extend, pitch the body forwards, and my knee's going to go forwards. All I feel is my knee joint. I'm pressing through my toes. I feel my in the mirror. I'm going to just do some different angles. And they're not tilted forwards. That means my pubic bone is down, and they're not back where my pubic bone is up to the ceiling. Here's my pubic bone. Right there. So I feel my lower abs on. I feel length in my lower back. Hi there, I'm Wendy Darling Good with All About Pilates. I'm here at North Little Rock Athletic Center where I teach booty bar and mat Pilates. And I'm doing several different videos here. The first one is actually going to be about alignment and how to stand properly. And the continuation one will be about lunging back correctly. But in order to lunge back correctly, knowing how to stand first, using the muscles and not the joints. And that's what I'm actually doing right now. I'm going to actually stand feet together. In Pilates, it is hip width apart, but I'm going to actually demonstrate into a letter V. So I'm opening up my toes nice and wide. I'm pressing my heels into the floor as I lift away. Think about lengthening the heels away from the head, and in the center is the core. I'm going to take my outer thighs, squeeze them into the inner thighs as my knees soften so they're not locked out. Look in the mirror. My knees are locked out. Now they're softened to where I'm standing using my hamstrings and glutes. And now I'm going to soften them just a little bit more, just barely bending. My abs right by my hip bones. I'm going to pull them towards each other, sink them in. At the same time, my navel comes to my spine. And see how I'm kind of rounded right now? It's like somebody punched me in the gut, but I still want to be able to breathe. So somebody just punched me in the gut, so I'm going to let my gut go, and I'm going to sink it in without moving my shoulders. And my shoulders are not rounded, and they're not back. My elbows are going to be right by my waist, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hands on my hip bones. Now right here is the top of my front hip bone and the top of my back hip bone. I got some love right here, and I'm human just like everybody else. And I'm going to press down on them. Now my front finger should be in line with my back finger. You can look in the mirror. I'm going to just do some different angles. And they're not tilted forwards. That means my pubic bone is down, and they're not back where my pubic bone is up to the ceiling. Here's my pubic bone. Right there. So I feel my lower abs on. I feel length in my lower back. Means I'm not tilting down. I'm going to pull my shoulder blades, pull them back, and squeeze them down like I'm putting something into my pockets. I'm going to place it in my pockets. Or bra line muscles for us girls, or if you wear a heart monitor strap, pull it down to that heart area. My elbows are right by the waist. I'm lifted tall as I create space, like little toothpicks right here from my rib cage to my hip bone. So here's me not creating space. There's the love. It's the way it goes. Lift. And my pubic bone's forwards. It's not sticking back or down. And I'm nice and tall. And by the time I'm tall, my whole body is on. I'm lengthening like I'm growing taller, stretching out the spine. It's ready to work. And every muscle is supporting the spine, the core. It roots to the extremities. I'm going to bend my knees, and then I'm going to open up my hips to a letter V using my glutes. And continue to watch my next video as I demonstrate a lunge behind. Thank you so much.